fashion is everywhere. Bright stores, endless choices, and prices that feel too good to be true. A trendy shirt for just $5. Cheap, stylish, and easy to grab. New trends drop every week, pushing you to always buy more and stay updated. But behind those low prices, there's a hidden cost most people never see.
Far from the shopping malls, the real story begins inside crowded factories.
Workers spend long hours stitching clothes under intense pressure. Production never stops. Machines run fast to meet global demand. Every second counts. Speed matters more than comfort.
Many factories operate in difficult conditions with limited space and poor lighting.
Behind every cheap garment, there's often underpaid labor.
Fast fashion doesn't just affect people, it also impacts the planet. Toxic dyes and chemicals are released into rivers every day. Mountains of textile waste continue to grow across the world. Burning clothes release harmful gases into the air. Landfills are filling up with items worn only a few times.
Millions of tons of clothing are wasted every single year. Closets are fuller than ever, yet it feels like there's nothing to wear.
Clothes are bought, worn once, and quickly forgotten.
Endless ads keep pushing new styles and trends.
Packages arrive faster than ever before.
And just as quickly, many of those clothes end up in the trash. Fast fashion thrives on one thing: constant buying. Brands sell more than clothes. They sell a lifestyle.
Perfect photos, perfect lighting, and carefully crafted images. Influencers promote trends that change almost overnight.
Filters and edits create an illusion of perfection.
What you see online is often far from reality.
It's all designed to make you want more.
Behind the scenes, real people carry the weight of fast fashion.
Hands that work tirelessly to produce what the world consumes. Long days, little rest, and constant pressure. All for clothes that may only be worn once. Next time you walk into a store, take a closer look. Textile and the 3D of scones for fonder. That cheap price tag doesn't tell the full story.
The real cost is hidden behind every stitch. Fast fashion may be convenient, but it comes at a price.
Now that you know the truth, the choice is yours.
Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe.